mystery one. Alright guys, this is another Chevy truck that I found. The custom deluxe tin. $321,000 miles. Another classic Chevy car. Custom 20.
So proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, and the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in it, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Riverside Classics. Amanda and Jason Jones. They have won 9 regional awards the past 4 years. Give them a call, 262-740-1959. Located in Elkhorn.
Awesome. Next up is JJ and the Chevy Camaro. The Road. Very ugly, very loud. It looks beautiful to me.
Terry and Leanne first set in a beautiful 68 El Camino.
Followed by Joe Salas, the Chevy Camaro, 1968.
Next up, Eric Furseth. How you doing, Eric? And his GMC Sierra, 1999.
Number
7 is Ron Pfeiffer in his Citroen 20-volt 1982 2-cylinder 29 horsepower. It was special edition of the iconic French car produced from 1948 to 1990.
Awesome. Next, we've got number 8, Michael and Olivia Jones in their Stingray Corvette, a 2016. Beautiful.
Oh, look at this beautiful red Studebaker Grand Turismo Hawk in 1962 with a 289 4-barrel 4-speed.
Beautiful. Next up, number 10, Harley Bierman, a Ford T-Bird Thunderbird, 2003. A limited production manufactured between 2000 and 2005. Thanks, Harley.
Yeah, I like how they hold their numbers up for us. That's a really good thing. Hey, we got David Shelton in his Triumph, a TR7 to 1980. And he says it still runs. It looks like it does. Looks very nice, David.
Oh, look at this beautiful Model A, driven by Larry New, a Ford, a 1929. The world's most famous car. This is one of 20 million. Beautiful. Thank you for joining us today.
This guy looks like he's ready to burn up some rubber here. Is that right?
He's coming to town, so.
If anybody can do it, he can. Roger Olson in his Belvedere, Plymouth Belvedere, 1966, 440 wedge. Beautiful car.
Next up, we've got Brad Stearns in a Ford Thunderbird of 1965. Owner since last year. Beautiful. Thanks for being in the parade today.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Real Thunderbird.
We've got a Monte Carlo SS coming up here. Look at this nice car.
And then another one.
Leslie and Milo,
Actually,
1987.
Monte Carlo.
This is Chan's old ride.
Wow.
Beautiful. Next up, Milo and Leslie also with a Chevy C10, 1985, 350. Uh-oh.
Sounding good. Sounding good. All right. We got a 65 El Camino with a nice big block, 454. Driven by Bill and Shireen Lyon. Am I close?
Beautiful. Next up, Robin Lee in a 1987 Buick Grand National, 1987, a V6 Turbo. Comfort and attitude. Love it.
Okay, number 20. We got 20 right here.
Bruce Hilder and Jim Delbach, a Pontiac GTO 1964. Thanks for joining us. Beautiful car.
I knew that wasn't a Ford Coupe. All right, now we've got a GTO. What number are you guys here? 21. We're out of order here. Okay, so we got Mike in a 1967 Pontiac GTO with a 400. It's a number matching car.
Next up, a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am, all original, Sandy. Nice, beautiful car.
All right, we got James Roddershot here in a Buick Grand National, 1987 V6, 31,000 original miles. You need to drive that car more, James.
Next we got Chris Squire, a Chevy Caprice Classic, Christine, 1987, 350 V8. Two-barrel car found in Arizona in 2006. Have owned it since then. Beautiful.
Wow, look at this next car. Ryan, didn't you have a car just like this? You did. Yep.
Oh my goodness, that was my first car.
We've got Deborah
Wow.
Squire in a 79
That's an oldie.
Chevy Chevette. It's got a Night Rider
That thing's
light
seen
and
better days.
sound. Google horn. Came from Kansas.
Next up, car number 26. We got Frank Hessen. Chevy Impala SS, a 1967, 327 V8, all original convertible one family owners since 1968. Beautiful. Thanks for joining us today.
327, best engine ever made. A 2014 5.8 Mustang Shelby GT 500.
Oh,
What a
yeah.
beautiful car. Look at the paint job on that.
I love that paint job.
Lowered and tuned.
That thing's a beauty.
I've got a rear, outstanding features, rear something suspension. What do we got? Oh, fantastic. Kenny Brown with suspension.
Next up is a BMW 2002, actually 1974. Can fly fast. I see that. Thank you, Bogan. Jim. I'm going to kill that name. I'm so sorry. That's a beautiful car. The year I was a scout, it looks more beautiful than me. I know that.
No comment. Next up, we got a Roadmaster, a 1995 Roadmaster with a 350 from John and Lisa Plasky. Thanks for coming out today. And who's our buddy? Bud Lee in the car, riding shotgun.
Next up, we got Packard Darren, a 1941 straight A. Air conditioned even. Chris and Linda go.
That's a long engine.
Delavan. Beautiful.
That is a long
Thanks for
engine.
joining us, Chris. Nice looking car.
Check this out, Ryan. 1965 GMC Handy Van. I
Wow.
drive that.
I
350
Really tall.
I would drive that.
Life is
and they
good,
like to
yeah.
say,
I would drive
life
that.
is good.
Jeff would
Thanks for
drive
coming
that.
today.
Awesome. Next up, we've got Morris Minor, 1967, 1098. It runs, and it's got a surfboard, Harold and Cindy Belloc. Thank you so much. Thanks for being.
All right, next we got a 2025
Oh, yeah.
6.2 liter V8
Oh, yeah.
Chevy Corvette.
That's my favorite, dude.
82 horsepower. Okay.
That's my
How
favorite.
about leaving a little of that tread here on the street? Can we do that?
Last but certainly not least, we've got a
That's gotta
Chevy
be my
Silverado 1500 Black Widow 2025. Thanks for being with us today. Beautiful.
Number 19. Wait. What number you got? Don't have a number. What year? 61 Ford Starline. Beautiful car.
It is. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you, for joining us today for the parade. We want to give a big thank you to our parade and rally sponsors. Brad, why don't you